Okay, my name is Chekatama Dimaga. I am from the Primary and Secondary School. I am mathematics teacher, level mathematics teacher. Now today I am going to teach about the inverse of functions. Now we denote the inverse of a function by f to the power of -1. So let us see some example, or let's develop this idea by solving some example. Example, find the inverse of each of the following functions. A, f of x equal to x minus 3 whole square plus 5. Solution. We know that how to find the inverse of the functions. First we can write f of x as y, and then we can interchange x and y. After interchanging x and y, we can solve y in terms of x, and finally we can write as f inverse of x is equal to y. Now let us solve this example. Now let's f of x is equal to y is equal to x minus 3 the whole square plus 5. That means y is equal to x minus 3 the whole square plus 5. Then we can interchange x and y. That means we write y instead of x instead of y. Now which is equal to x is equal to y minus 3 the whole square plus 5. After interchanging x and y, we can solve y in terms of x. Now take 5 from this side to this side. That is x minus 5 is equal to y minus 3 the whole square. To solve this equation, we can remove the exponent. To remove this square, we put both sides under radical. That is x minus 5 under radical is equal to y minus 3 the whole square under radical. That means that is under radical of x minus 5 is equal to y minus 3. Now take minus 3 from this side to this side. That is under radical of x minus 5 plus 3. Since y is negative. Since negative. Then finally we can write f inverse as under radical of x minus 5 plus 3. This is the inverse of this function. F of x is equal to under radical of x plus 3. First, we can write f of x as y is equal to under radical of x plus 3. After writing this equation in this form, we can interchange x and y. X plus 3. Now x is equal to under radical of y plus 3. After interchanging x and y, we can solve y in terms of x. That is to remove this radical, we make both sides of this equation square. So when we make this both sides square, we have that under radical of y plus 3 the whole square. Then x square is equal to removing this square root, which is y plus 3. Take 3 from this side to this side. In this side here, 3 is positive. When we take from this side to this side, we change this sign to negative. That is x square minus 3 is equal to y. X square minus 3 is equal to y. Finally, you can write in this form. F to the power of x is equal to x square minus 3. Now this is the inverse of that one. F of x is equal to logarithm of 5x to base 2. Now to find the inverse of this function, we can write as f of x is equal to y, which is logarithm of 5x to base 2. Students, we know that this is logarithm function. Logarithm function and exponential function are the inverse of each other. The inverse of each other. So we can find the inverse of this function as exponential form. That is interchanging x and y. X is equal to logarithm of 5y to base 2. So when we converting this logarithm into exponential, we have that to the power of x is equal to 5y. To the power of x is equal to 5y. So our aim is to solve y in terms of x. Now dividing both sides by 5. 5 cancelled by 5. Then y is equal to the power of x over 5, which is the inverse of which is to the power of x over 5.